Hello, good morning. This is Captain Chaudhary once again in front of you. Today I'll be speaking about the basics of some stability terms. One of the first things which we discuss is what is stability? What is stability of the ship? Now, stability of the ship is ability of the ship, inherent ability of the ship to come back to upright equilibrium. When I say upright equilibrium, that means there are more than one equilibriums. What is this equilibrium? Let us first understand that. Because I feel that the concept of equilibrium is not very clear with the people. Equilibrium we have been studying since our college times. In college we were told equilibrium means when the forces which are acting on the body and the moments which act on the body at any point of the body, they total up to zero. That means the algebraic sum of the forces and moments acting on the body becomes zero, which means that the body is not able to move. What is the effect of the force on a body? When I apply a force, say on a table, when I push, the table moves. So effect of force is linear motion. If I give a push to a swing, the swing is going to and fro, it is a rotary motion. When I open the door opens in a rotary motion. So when I swing a beam can swing about a pivot. That means when I apply moment to a body, it will turn. When I apply force to the body, it will move. But if the body is neither moving nor turning, that means the body is at rest, stand still. Looking at the ship from outside, that means I don't know what is the kg of the ship, what is km of the ship, what is stability of the ship. But I see the ship not making any movement. That means the ship is in equilibrium. Ship is not rolling, ship is not pitching, she is in equilibrium. For that matter, even if the ship is aground, even if the ship is listed but at rest, even if the ship is at angle of lull but at rest, from outside I can make out that that ship is in equilibrium. Now when you are attending my class, you are absolutely standstill. That means you are in equilibrium. But the moment I see you rolling on either side, that means the equilibrium is lost. So equilibrium, let us understand, is the state of rest. When we look at the GZ curve of the ship, it seems that the GZ curve GZ value is 0 over here, GZ value is 0 over here also. That means the ship can normally be at these two angles of equilibrium. This is upright equilibrium and this is angle of vanishing stability. That means the ship can remain in equilibrium when upright. This ship can also, suppose this is 72 degrees, this ship can also remain in equilibrium when at 72 degrees, provided the water does not fill up anymore. Because what happens is, in these two situations, the G and V are in one vertical line. These are the only two postures for this particular ship for equilibrium. So equilibrium, when it comes to ship, in absence of wind and waves, can we say when G and B are in one vertical line, the two major forces are the two only forces which are acting on the ship are equal and opposite. They balance each other. At the moment we are assuming that there is no wind movement, there is no wave movement. The only forces which are acting on the ship, two center of gravity and center of buoyancy, and the two forces are in one vertical line, the ship is in equilibrium. And when that happens, the GZ curve will show 0 value because at that time the GZ is 0. Let us look at the picture of the ship in heeled condition. what happens when the ship is heeled? GZ is created, and with GZ value the GZ curve is created. When GZ is there, that means the righting lever is there. We say that the ship is trying to attain equilibrium and she is not in equilibrium. So can we say, in case of ship, when GZ is 0, the ship can be in equilibrium. So there are 4 things we can say from our colleges. We say when force and moments become 0, the ship is in equilibrium. Ultimate feature of the ship or characteristic of the ship when the ship is in equilibrium is the vessel is in standstill mode. We can also say that on the GZ curve, GZ value is equal to 0. So equilibrium can have all these meanings. For a ship in particular, G and B in one vertical line and they're equal. So 4 things we can say about the ship in equilibrium. So the desired equilibrium for the ship is the upright equilibrium for which the ship is built. So what is the inherent capability of the ship to come back to upright equilibrium? That is the stability of the ship.